Welcome to our review of the top 5 best dash cams of 2025. Today, we'll explore cutting-edge features, crystal clear recording quality, and hidden gems you won't want to miss. Stay tuned till the end for the ultimate recommendation. For more details and the latest prices, check the links in the description. Like our content? Hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update. Now, without further delay, let's dive into the video and explore our top picks. Number 5. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3, a compact, easy-to-use dash cam packed with powerful features. If you've been looking for reliable road protection in a tiny package, stick around because this camera might be exactly what you need. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 records in sharp 108 OPHD with a wide 140-degree field of view. Whether it's bright sunlight or low-light nighttime drives, the clarity is impressive. The built-in polarizing lens with Garmin Clarity helps reduce glare from your windshield, ensuring every important detail stays visible. One of my favorite features is voice control. With simple commands, you can save videos, start or stop audio recording, and more, without ever taking your hands off the wheel. It's safe, practical, and makes the dashcam feel even more user-friendly for everyday driving. Even when you're away from your car, this dashcam has your back. The parking guard feature can notify your phone if an event is detected. With the Vault Plan and the Garmin Drive app, you can remotely access real-time footage anytime. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is designed for harsh environments. It can withstand direct sunlight and high interior temperatures without performance issues, making it ideal for hot climates or long drives. Overall, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3 is small, smart, and powerful. If you're seeking reliable protection with premium features in a discreet design, this dashcam is definitely worth considering. Number 4. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam, a cutting-edge dashcam that doesn't just record, but actively protects and connects you. Let's explore its powerful features that make it stand out from the competition. The IQ's Smart Sense Parking is like having eyes on your car 24/7. With proximity sensing and AI-driven alerts, it warns you of suspicious movement before anything happens. You can even respond instantly with voice commands or trigger an alarm, keeping your vehicle safe even when you're away. Worried about someone else driving your car? Guardian Mode gives you complete control. Set speed and location limits, then get notified if they're broken. Through the IQ app, you can view live footage and even talk directly to the driver. Perfect for kids, mechanics, or valets. Safety is personal, and Witness Mode ensures you're never alone. If you feel threatened, simply say, "Start Witness Mode." The camera locks onto the incident and streams live footage to a trusted contact, so help is always just a call away. In the event of an accident, the dashcam takes action for you. If you're unresponsive, it shares your location and medical details with emergency services instantly, ensuring help arrives as quickly as possible. Coming soon is RoadWatch AI, a groundbreaking tool that analyzes the speed of surrounding vehicles in your recordings. This provides undeniable evidence to support your side in disputes, making it a real game changer for drivers everywhere. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dashcam isn't just about recording accidents. It's about prevention, protection, and peace of mind. From AI smarts to emergency response, it redefines what a dashcam can be. Number 3. The Vantrue N4s 3-channel Dash Cam, a powerful all-in-one solution for complete 360 degrees vehicle coverage. If you're a rideshare driver, daily commuter, or just want peace of mind, this dashcam might be exactly what you need. The Vantrue N4s record simultaneously from the front, inside, and rear, delivering crisp 2.7K plus 1440p plus 1440p resolution. With ultra-wide angles up to 165 degrees, it ensures no blind spot goes unnoticed. Perfect for stopping hit and runs, theft, or vandalism, it keeps you covered from every angle. Thanks to STARVIS2 sensors, HDR, and infrared night vision, this dashcam captures every detail, even in dim light or harsh weather. Whether you're driving late at night or through foggy roads, the N4s provides crystal-clear evidence you can rely on. The industry-exclusive 2.5 KIP67 waterproof rear cam performs flawlessly in rain, snow, or storms. Its adjustable mounts fit sedans, SUVs, and trucks, ensuring license plates and road details stay sharp no matter the conditions. With 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you can instantly download and share footage on the Vantrue app. Built-in GPS tracks speed, location, and routes, providing rock-solid evidence for insurance claims or disputes. The N4s offers parking mode with motion detection and impact sensing, safeguarding your car even when you're away. Plus, intelligent voice control lets you save videos, snap photos, or mute audio hands-free, keeping driving distraction-free. Overall, the Vantrue N4s combines advanced features, all-weather durability, and total 360 degrees protection. If you're serious about security on the road, this dashcam is a smart investment. Number 2. The Viofo A229 Pro is a premium dashcam designed for unmatched clarity and reliability. Featuring dual Sony Star Vive-IS2 sensors, it captures 4K front and 2K rear video, ensuring sharp detail and easy license plate reading day or night. HDR Night Vision 2.0 balances shadows and highlights, delivering lifelike recordings even in low light. Its 3 parking modes, auto event detection, low bit rate, and time-lapse, record incidents before and after they happen, offering reliable 24/7 protection. Hands-free voice commands, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and the Viofo app make capturing, controlling, and sharing videos effortless. Ultra-precise GPS, loop recording, emergency locks, a corporal filter, and supercapacitor support extreme conditions. With dual 4K plus 2K recording, advanced night vision, smart controls, and full security coverage, the A229 Pro is the ultimate companion for drivers who value peace of mind and premium performance. Number 1. The Viofo A329S is a powerful dual dash cam delivering smooth 4K 60 FPS front and 2K rear recording. Every detail, from license plates to road signs, stays sharp day or night, even in fast traffic or low light conditions. Featuring advanced Star Vive-IS2 sensors, it reduces noise, enhances low light clarity, and minimizes motion blur. The rear camera's wide dynamic range ensures balanced, professional-grade footage in any lighting. Protect your vehicle with impact detection and ultra-low power parking mode. Store weeks of footage with support for up to 4 TB SSDs or 512 GB micro SD cards. Enjoy lightning-fast transfers via Wi-Fi 6, hands-free control with smart voice commands, and added conveniences like GPS tracking, anti-glare corporal, and easy installation. More than just a dash cam, the Viofo A329S offers premium video, smart features, and peace of mind, making it the ultimate companion on every drive.